Hi everyone, meet me again with Giffy. Today I'm going to read a book for you guys, my first book of animal. Let's start the I am small but quite strong. I can carry heavy things. I have long ear and a long tail. I eat a hay and grass. My name is Donkey. I love meat and milk. I live in the kennel. I got the house. My baby I call Pups. My name is a dog. I give you milk every day. I love eat green grass. My baby I call calf. I have two horns and a long tail. My name is a cow. I give you an egg. I eat seed and worm. I live in the coop. My baby I call chick. My name is hen. I can live in the land and the water. I have long neck and a short tail. My baby I call gosling. I eat grass and corn. My name is Goose. I live in the farm. I have colorful feather. I eat nuts and seeds. My baby I call Poult. My name is Turkey. I have small eyes and curly tail. I'm a big and fat. My baby I call Piglet. I live in the sty. My name is Pig. I live in the water. I have webbed feet. I have soft feather. My baby I call Duckling. My name is Duck. I give you a wool. I love to eat grass. I live in the pen. My baby I call lambs. My name is sheep. I'm big and strong. I live in the stable. My baby called a frog. I can run very fast. My name is horse. Okay everyone, see you again for the part 2 for the sea animal. If you like to purchase the book, this book I'm selling for $2. Just message me on the message below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.